Hello ma'am, sir. Can you share your travel experience po dito sa Fukuoka?
Yes, we enjoyed. Especially with Nia.
We had a great time, especially our day trip to Itoshima. The oysters were the best. And our tour guides were awesome. Very knowledgeable. And the best thing is, they're flexible.
Yes!
Okay, it was just a short 2-day trip here pero sobrang nag-enjoy kami kasi na-maximize namin yung 2 days, so we saw a lot of places, especially Itoshima, the best yung seafood and the oysters. So if you need travel requirements dito sa Fukuoka, go Fukuoka Travel. So thank you kay Nia and kay Ira for taking good care of all of us.
Yes, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Okay sir, can you share your travel experience po dito sa Fukuoka?
Hello! Whenever you're in Fukuoka, join the Go Fukuoka Tour headed by Boss CJ and their very beautiful guides, Mia and Ira. You will
Yes!
Fukuoka, they will take you to places where the tourists do not usually go. And magaling sila sa shoppingan. Alam nila lahat ng mga shopping dito. So again, support Go Fukuoka.
Thank you sir!
Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go travel Fukuoka and Kyushu.